Good morning, students. Once again I'm here to record a new lecture for you. This is lecture number 3. So I'm going to continue the same table, right, and do some modifications over there. So I hope you will enjoy this. So let's go again for the Excel. I'm going to minimize my recorder and then open the Excel, the same table that last time we created. So you can see we have a table of products over here. So what I want to do today here is I want to start from here, from the conditional formats. So you can see, first of all, what is conditional formatting? Actually, conditional formatting is something that if you want to apply conditions, formats to your table, so you can use this. So how to use this? I'm just going to select the table, but here if you open this, so you have different conditions over here. Cell highlight rules are here. If you want to find out the greater values, less values, between is used. This command is used for ranges between, for example, between 40 and 60, between 40 and 80, or something like that, right? So you have data bars, color scales, and lots of things are lots of formats are here. You can come here. You can select anyone, whatever you need. So I'm just going to select the table from here, but I'm selecting the numbers, I mean the digits that you inserted in the table. So I will come here because I'm going to use for these rules. So the first rule that you have is greater than rule. If you see this greater than rule, greater than means what? For example, if you want a number that is greater than, let's say 50, greater than 60, greater than 70, so you want to find out a number like this. So how to do this? I will simply select this greater than. Now here you need to write the number. For example, I want the number which are greater than 60. So I will write here 60. When you write 60 here, you can see computer is highlighting all the values. You can see the red values, these are greater than 60. Black values, these are less than 60. So system will highlight this. Meanwhile, if you like, for example, from here to change the color of this, let's say you want yellow color, you want, for example, green color, or you want any other color, so you can apply the colors over here as well. So these are different rules you can use. Similarly, if you click here, you have less than values. For example, less than 50 I want, for example, 50. So you can see here the system is highlighting these values for you. So this is how you can use these conditional formats. I will increase the size a little bit to make it more clearly visible for you. You can see here between is used for example, between, let's say I want between 60 and 80. I want to mention the two digits or figures over here. So you can see these are the values highlighting all between 60 and 80. So these are the ranges. System will highlight these ranges for you. I will simply close this. You can come here. These are different types of rules are here. Text that contains. Text that contain means, for example, if you want to find out, let's say a word, a complete word, or you can write a name, you can find it something like that. So let's say this is about text, so I have to select the text from here. So I will come here, select the text here. Now for example, I want a single word to use, M, let's say. For M, you can see I wrote here M, but you can see markers and milk system will highlight this. For example, I want B, let's say. So if you are selecting B, all the words that has the letter B, so you can see B is here, biscuits, ballpoints, B is here with the notebooks as well. So it doesn't matter, maybe the word is the alphabet is inside the word or the first letter. So by first letter you can also find out this. So I'm going to close this. You can write even complete word as well. For example, if I write here, let's say biscuits. So if I write here biscuits, you can see only biscuit it will highlight for you. So it depends on your choice, on your requirements, whatever you like. I'm going to click here again. If you see here, date occurring and duplicate values are here. So far leave this because these are not important parts or not related to your course. You can see here top bottom rules are here, top 10 items. If you want, again I'm going to select the values from here, you can come here. Top 10 values are here, top 10 items. If you want to select, for example, I want top 5, you can make it top 5. If you want more than this, so you can increase or decrease from here. So all these are different rules. You can use this. Bottom 10 items, if you want to highlight, you can come here. So it's upon you again, you can increase or decrease, it's up to you, whatever you like. So these are different conditional formats, you can use this. Similarly here, data bars are here if you want to apply different bars, but the bar is dependent on the data, I mean the digit inside the cell that you have. If the digit is more, for example, you can see, let's say I will apply this one, you can see 80 is more but 42 is less. So it depends on the number that is inside the cell. You can see 98 is almost close to the full. So these are something, so it depends actually by the number inside the cell that you have. So you have different rules over here, you can use these rules, it's upon you, whatever. So different colors are here, you can use color scales. Similarly, if you want to apply different colors from here, you can use this. Icon sets are here. For icons, it can show you the icons as well. Some different type of graphs are here, some lights are here, you can use these graphs over here. So this, if you want any rule, you can select it from these rules, but if you don't want the rule, you have the clear rules option over here. If you want to clear all the rules, so you can clear the rules. So clears rules from selected cell is the option here, or from the entire sheet, any Excel sheet if you want, so you can remove this as well. Okay, now you can see, students, this is about your conditional formats. If you want formatting the table, for formatting means if you want different styles for your table, so you have different styles over here. A list of styles are here, you can select, for example, I want this list of styles, so you can click on OK, it will be apply. Now you can see different table styles are here, you can select any table style, whatever you like, it depends on your choice. So you can select any style for your table from here. I will press Ctrl Z because I want to apply something else here as well. So this is how you can use format, you can format your table as well. Now I will simply come here. Cell styles are here, individual cell if you want to apply, for example, so select the cell from here and then you can choose it. For example, I want blue color here, let's say here I want orange color, here for example I want something else. So it depends on your choice, whatever you like, right? This is how you can color individual cell or highlight individual cell as well. So this is how you can do these things. Now let's come back here for inserting. If you want to insert or insert new columns, new rows, but let's come back to the next lecture. I'm just going to close this because of the time constraints, right? So let's close this and watch this the rest of commands in another lecture. Thank you for watching, students.